I'm going to go through this book I made relatively pretty quickly just because there's really not a lot to it. It's very simple, but it was a new way to design or do an altered book. So the cover front and back is a cereal box, and then I just used scrap paper from different projects I have and just did a little collage, as you can see in the front and the back. And then I use this type of binding that I like that leaves the pages when you open them pretty flat, so I like that. And then I just had this little piece of mixed media, and it says no boundaries. So what I did differently was that I actually got some thicker bond paper, and I saw on YouTube where you press flowers and leaves in between, and then you boil it for a half an hour, and then you let them dry. So that's what I did. So in addition to that, I just did some drawings, some doodles, some stamps. So that's all I did. It was very simple. So a place to either use as a writing journal or to add photos to it. So very simple. And then you can see some of my stamps. You can see some of the drawings. And then some of the flowers that I used to press it, you can see the imprint of them. So you can see that was a yellow flower. And then I also added a tea bag when I boiled it just to give it that vintage look. So there's some flowers I drew on the side. Some of these drawings I just get from coloring books that I have. Then you can see right here there's a good imprint of one of the smaller flowers, and then you can see it up here as well. I just like the way it looks. And then of course I drew a flower. And I'm always drawing suns. So there's one of the suns I draw. Here's some more. Those look like some petals, probably from a blue or purple flower. And then now that it's fall, I'm going to look forward to getting some really pretty fall leaves. And I don't know if you can see, but I also added some glitter glue. I love that glitter glue. So each one of my drawings has that glitter glue. As you can probably see there, some green. I just like the way that looks. And there on the raindrops, you can see some glitter there. Just a touch of it. There's some flowers. Then over here, you can see on the little pink flowers there at the bottom, there's some more glitter. I might have used glitter pens, I'm not sure, but I do use a lot of my glitter glue. I just like that little touch of glitter on it. There's another type of sun. Just doodling away while I'm watching TV. There's some leaves. And you can see some stamps. There's a butterfly. And then sometimes I'll burn the page, and that's okay because I like that look. Oh, actually, you can probably see right here, there's a leaf right there. So it just gives it a really light imprint, and I like it. And then sometimes I burn the pages when I boil them too long, and that's okay because you can always put a picture over. And then you can probably see this pattern here. I usually put them out on my outdoor table, and then they just, when the sun hits them, it gives that imprint. It's kind of two different types of imprints. And then here's just a stamp. And I put different colors with ink pads. And then it gives that look, so you don't have to worry about, coloring them in or anything. It gives it a natural, different color print, like the hearts are red and then the swirls are green. There's some more of my doodle drawing. So you can even use this as a writing journal. You can, put some lines through it, or you can add your own drawings, or you can add photos. Just whatever works. So I'm almost through. I should have added how many pages there are, but I will put this on my Etsy. So if you're interested, you can go to my shop, which I would appreciate it. And then if you're on my YouTube for the first time, if you can like and subscribe, that would also be very appreciated. There's some balloons. Here's a flower. You can see some of the imprints of the flowers there. Very pretty, very cute. I think I'm supposed to let them simmer for 20 minutes, but I'm too impatient, and I usually just wait about 15 minutes. I'll try that, doing it for 2 hours. Right there's a flower. You can see the imprint on that. And then just some stains there. And there's a stamp that I layered on top of each other, and then some edging. And there you go. My nails are black because it's Halloween. Well, it's October, and I'm just getting ready for Halloween. So that's it. So thank you so much for stopping by, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.